Afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here 2020 test of oral English past question number 12. So we are still using the same instruction to answer this question number 12. We are looking for the option that contains the same vowel sound as in the given word, particularly the underlying letters. The underlying letters here are OIL are underlined, and this word is pronounced as boy, boy, just as in the word boy. Option A is pronounced as coy, coy. The option B is pronounced as se, se. Instead of so, it is not so. Remember that there is nothing like o in English pronunciation. Then ow. Then option D is pronounced as made, not mode, made. So this are the transcription. So by this transcription, the correct option is option A, because option A has the same oil sound as in the given word. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.